I'm Matthew Grimes here at Grimes Engineering. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Zexel PFR style injection pumps like are used in many Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engines. Specifically, I'm going to be demonstrating the difference that full cut delivery valves can make in improving fuel flow over stock delivery valves. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using this stock Kubota D1105 injection pump that has 5.5 millimeter plungers and barrels in it. We're going to be running this pump without the governor at full rack travel, and I'm going to run the pump with the stock delivery valves and holders in it to establish a baseline of fuel delivery at full rack travel. Let's get started. Now that we have established a baseline, how much fuel is being delivered with the stock delivery valves and holders, we will now install our high flow billet stainless delivery valve holder with full cut delivery valve and test it. Now installing the full cut delivery valve with the spring delivery valve holder sealing gasket and our new billet stainless high flow delivery valve holder. We'll torque it. And reinstall the injection line. Now we're ready to test it. Let's spin it up and see what difference it makes. Delivers 20 more cc's of fuel, which is a big improvement over the stock delivery valves. So there you have it. That is the difference that full cut delivery valves can make, even in this pump with these small 5.5 millimeter plungers.